Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain stop loss for us. So many traders will argue that stop loss is an important feature in the Forex market. Why some traders feel it's important to always use stop loss, some other ones tell you that stop losses do not feature in their trading strategy. So I'm here to tell you that stop loss is actually very important. Very important in the sense that it's a risk management tool that helps you limit potential losses in the market. If you put in a trade, just like I always advise, before you get into any trade, make sure you have a plan, you have a set out, you have a structure, you have all the confirmation you need to go into that trade. Of course, it's not always a success. Sometimes you're going to lose some of your trades, sometimes you're going to make some of them. Some of them are just some of them may end up being unsuccessful, but at the end of the day, you want to really take your time to do some risk management analysis before going into your trade, knowing fully well that it's either it goes in your favor or it doesn't go in your favor. Now, if it doesn't go in your favor, if it goes in your favor, all good, you're going to rack up profits. But what if it doesn't go in your favor? That's exactly where stop loss comes into place. Stop loss helps you to limit potential losses should that trade go against us. For example, you want to take a Euro USD trade. Euro USD has sold off for some days now because of a couple of factors. One is the fact that USD gained some level of strength as a result of the Fed's hawkish remarks lately, in divergence to the Euro, whose central bank chiefs have decided to cut down on their interest rates. Okay, and apart from that, with the political instability in Europe currently, you want to understand why the euro has weakened for some days. That's exactly why it has been a sell for the Euro USD. However, currently at 1.0701, we're looking to take a buy order. Of course, you want to place your stop loss just below the wick of that candlestick, and which is at about 1.0645. okay, and at that point you have actually placed your stop loss. Your stop loss in that regard is that should the market continue the downward movement by the beginning of next week or anytime next week, and it gets to 1.0645, the market takes you out. Rather than eating deep into your capital, it saves you some of your funds and only takes out what the percentage you have decided to risk for the market for that trade. That's exactly what stop loss is all about.